Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're encountering this app is currently not available in your country or region message, then it can be frustrating. But there are some steps you can take to potentially resolve this issue. So let's get started. First thing first, open the App Store on your mobile device. Now inside the App Store, simply tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner. Now after you tap on the profile icon, simply tap on your profile name. Now inside your profile name you will see the country/region option available there. Tap on the country and region option. Then you'll be navigated to change your country and region option. Now tap on it again. Now look for the country your app is available for download. Now I'm here choosing a random country. So tap on the any country the app is available. So I'm here choosing the Australia for now. After you tap on the country, you'll be navigated to the terms and conditions. Simply agree with it by tapping on the agree in the top right corner. After that, all you have to do is enter your detailed informations. You can change the payment information into the none as well. So after you fill out all the information and then simply proceed with it. After that, try to download the same app, then it will be definitely be downloaded. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.